Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about safety features, and in India, people, when a new car comes, people only ask what is the mileage, how much is the average coming in. Even in traffic signals, people stop and ask if they see a new bike or a car. They ask what is the mileage. No one is worried about safety. Today we're talking about a safety feature which is called airbags, which is very, very important, and government is also looking out to get all the cars with 6 airbags for the safety of the passengers in the car. So airbag is made of cotton balloon with chemical reaction in it, and it functions in a fraction of a second. This is linked with your seat belt. Once the collision happens with the car, the sensor sends the signal to the airbags and the airbag open up, and it will save you from your head or the neck hitting the steering or the windshield. So when the airbag blows, you are safe in a pillow, and the minute you hit it, the airbag closes also. This is the function of the airbag, but this only functions if you wear the seat belt and sit in the car, because once the collision hits, the seat belt clip functions in the fraction of a second and the airbag opens. So airbag is for your safety. Make sure you wear your seat belts and drive your car whenever you sit in car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.